Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Habiba earns 38,500 dirham or DHS every month. So she will earn a total of what amount in 5 years we have to find out. So first of all, we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we can find out by unitary method the number of months in 5 years. So in 5 years we can say there will be 5 multiplied by 12 months, which is equal to 60 months. Now it is given that Habiba earns in 1 month, the amount earned by her in 1 month is 38,500 DHS. So again we will use unitary method and we will find out that she will earn in 60 months or 5 years, you can say, what amount. So she can earn in 60 months or you can say 5 years, which is equal to 60 multiplied by the amount earned in 1 month, that is 38,500. This is given in the question. So using unitary method we can see this multiplication will give this value. So 23,10,000. So this is the answer.